Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be putting together 3 of the farm critters from the Jaded Blossoms farm release. I thought it would be a good idea to put them together because they don't really give you instruction. So just to give you an idea. So in this video I put together the pig, the lamb, and the chicken. And then in another video I will do the horse, bull, and the cow. And then after these videos I will show you how to make them into cards. And if you would like, I'll continue this series if there is an interest for it. So I'll just let the music play, and I try to show all the shapes of the different animals that you need to cut out to make them. The only thing that I did different is added the white circles that I put on the eyes. That doesn't come with this kit or this die set, but any circle that you have will work, or there is a circle in a couple of the other Octagon add-on sets. You do have to get the original set to get the Octagon itself to add the animals to. And so I will just show you how to put a few of these animals together in this video and the next one. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.